Lead generation advice from the experts in the field. You have to generate new leads, but how? What does it take to bring in people who really want what you're selling? It takes determination and skill, but it also takes knowledge. To start your education, check out the many helpful tips and tricks below as soon as possible. Perfect the art of a good call to action, in order to generate more leads for your business. A good call to action is highly specific, very relevant to the particular readers, and always links to a landing page where the offer can be found for purchase or download. Make your CTA count for more valuable leads. Be careful about buying email lists to use for lead generation. A lot of companies swear their lists are fresh, but quite often 30% or more of the names you are purchasing will be out of date. Prior to purchasing, negotiate with a list selling company in regard to this. You should get a partial refund if a percentage this high is noticed. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. Search engine optimization can take a while to get going, as can other lead generation techniques. While they are the best, and while some experts saying purchasing leads is a bad idea, it's not always the case. Buying leads from a trusted source within your niche can actually be extremely beneficial. Now you know how to bring in leads which will be lucrative. This is the knowledge you needed to ensure future success. As soon as you start using this data, you'll find your business only gets better. Start your lead generation planning today so that customers flock in and your profits soar. Student loan.